Hey angels, I'm jumping right into this video. So I did go ahead and do her eyebrows, eyeshadow, and a wing liner off camera. If you guys would like me to show you a tutorial on how I do that, leave me a comment down below. Next, I will be taking the foundation and using a beauty blender to blend that out. I'm using tapping motions. This is very important if you want to create that flawless, seamless finish. After that, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm placing that right underneath her eyes using those same tapping motions to create a thick, full coverage. This will ensure there's no gaps when you're blending out your concealer. I'm using that same concealer to create a bridge for her nose. I love this technique. I usually drag the concealer all the way down to the tip of her nose, and also I place it right above the eyebrows and on her forehead to create a highlight effect. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer using tapping motions just to get rid of those harsh edges. As you can see, I'm starting toward the end and I'm working my way up. I did go ahead and put some contour for my contour stick on her face already, but you can use whatever contour you like. I'm just using tapping motions to blend that out with the brush. This contour stick is from Black Opal. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out her nose contour. I'm using that same contour I used on her cheeks to blend that out. I usually blend until I no longer see any harsh lines, and I just see like a shadow effect. I like to take it up into the brow as well. It just makes everything blend better. I'm going to go ahead and bake. I'm using my favorite baking powder. This is the Dermalogica translucent powder. I do want to get into more powders, but this is my go-to, so yeah. As you can see, the face is pretty much done. This was supposed to be for Instagram, but I just wanted to show you guys the process. Definitely I'm going to be doing more in-depth videos, but this is pretty much the finished product. I'm just applying her lip color and some mascara to her eyes, and the look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Also leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, angels.